We are all Lely's automatic feeders, the calf calms. We have 2 employees in here, 720 head capacity. I'm Todd Silvera. I manage Claus Dairy Farms, Hartley and Exum. Hartley's our registered Jersey dairy out here in the Texas Panhandle. We've got it set up to where we can feed the calves 6 times a day. We're at 1.67 growth, so doing very well. You know, working with the automatic calf feeders, the housing of the calves, they're friendlier, you know, they're more social with each other. So I think that's one big aspect. They're doing better. Calves love it, but I think the workers are even happier with it. They're out of the elements.